side. The court decision often involve fault finding, even when we apply the law. The decision is to uphold justice as prescribed by law. By very nature, are argumentative. They give legal shape to the disputes. They make the litigation more complex. The role of the mediator is different. A mediator must go beyond binaries. Not every dispute or should be reduced to right, wrong, or fault finding. Often disputes exist in the shades of grey, where the personal commercial frictions do not always arise from one side being wrong, but also from misunderstanding. In many cases, both are at fault, though degrees may vary. Mediation offers space for undoing complexities. It does not involve legal and procedural complexities and personalized, not bound by rigid. And above all, is it empathetic, aiming not to win over the other side together. To truly appreciate mediation, it is thus essential to understand how the mediator proceeds and requires a different skill set. A mediator must follow the process to be party-driven. Mediators guide the parties without judging them and do not decide the outcomes. The parties are given adequate and fair opportunity to be heard and are allowed to vent their grievances. Mediators facilitate a process which the parties can speak openly. This also is possible because mediation is voluntary and confidential. The outcome is a result of consensus and settlement. This is where the neutrality of the mediator becomes crucial. In contrast to traditional resolving disputes through community elders, modern mediation benefits from the distance of a third party. Someone who comes to the conflict with no prior notions, no assumption, no biases. It is often the case that one finds it easier to open up to a stranger. With someone unfamiliar, we feel less judged, free to speak ourselves, our truth, and our grievances. It is said that a mediator is like a psychologist who must be trained to listen deeply and to understand patiently. A skilled mediator senses not only what is being said, but also what lies beneath the words. In this way, they equip the parties with the right tools to arrive at their own solution. I have gone through the new Mediation 2023. There is one portion of the Act which has not been referred to and not ever elucidated, and that is Section 43. 43 of the mediation provides for community mediation. Disputes likely to affect peace, harmony, and tranquility among residents of families of specific area or locality may be resolved through community mediation. This is an important step forward. The founding parents of our Constitution envisaged that provisions ought to be made for securing social justice in our Constitution. Our preamble categorically asseverates that endeavors must be made to secure justice, economic, social, political, to our people. I want to underscore the term social justice here, for it is through mediation that the social justice is achieved. Over the past 8 years or so, mediation has consistently, over the past